back. In this video, we're going to start our discussion about abstract classes. In Python, an abstract class is a class that cannot be instantiated and typically includes one or more abstract methods. An abstract method is a method that is declared but contains no implementation. Abstract classes are useful when you want to define a common interface for a group of subclasses. To create an abstract class in Python, you use the ABC module, which stands for abstract base classes. Here is an example. I'm going to type here from ABC import ABC and abstract method. Then I'll go down here and I'll type class database is gonna inherit from ABC to make it an abstract class, and I'm gonna type here add abstract method, so we annotate our method with abstract method. I'm gonna type define connect, and it's not gonna have any implementation. I'm gonna type here pass, then I'm gonna type here abstract method define disconnect self, also pass, so not gonna provide an implementation, and another one define execute query self and query here, and also pass. Now we're gonna create an actual implementation for this abstract class. So I'm gonna go down here and I'll type class my SQL database is gonna inherit from the database, so it will have to override the abstract methods colon, and I'll type here def connect, and I'll put here print. It's gonna say connecting to my SQL database. I'm gonna go down here, I'll create another one, define disconnect self, and it's gonna say print disconnecting from my SQL database. Then I will go down here, another method def, I'm gonna override the execute query, and I will add here a print which is gonna say executing query. I'm gonna put this dot format, I'm gonna pass the query. Alright, let's move this down. Let's go down here, let's create another implementation of the database abstract class. So I'm gonna type class SQLite database is gonna inherit from the database abstract class, and it's gonna have, let's copy those, let's paste it here. It's gonna say connecting to SQLite database, disconnected from SQLite database, and it's gonna say execute query. Now we have our two classes which are inheriting from the abstract class that is defined here. Let's go down and I'll type here db equals my SQL database I'm gonna type db.connect. I'm gonna type db.execute query. I'm gonna put a query here, select. You don't need to know what this is doing. I'm just gonna type something to have there. Then I will go down here and I'll type db2 equals SQLite database, and I'm gonna type db2.connect db2.execute query, and it's gonna say select all from employees. Then I'm gonna type db2.disconnect. Alright, so what do we have? We have our abstract class, we have our abstract methods. This cannot be instantiated, but we can inherit from it, and when you inherit from an abstract class, you must override the abstract methods. Let me see, execute queries, an abstract method. Let me see. Yes, this should also be an abstract method. All right, and with this ghost class, we inherit in our MySQL database class, and we provide a specific implementation for the MySQL database class on top of this ghost class. So you have here the code, and in a real app you'll have the code which creates this database here. So you're using for both classes the same, if you want, the same contract. So they're gonna have the same contract but different implementations for the abstract methods, because they are different databases. You have a MySQL database and you have a SQLite database. Alright, let's run this. And we have connecting to MySQL database, executing query, connecting to SQLite database, executing query, disconnected from SQLite database, and let me see, I should also put here db.disconnect. Run again. Alright, this is our discussion about abstract classes. They are very powerful, and I'm gonna end this video here, and I'll see you in the next video.